Hey, buddy. Get down, get down. Sit down. Sit, sit, sit. Good. Hey guys, and welcome back to That Outdoor Life with Matty Payne. So today we got about 8 inches of snow. This guy's rambunctious, as you can see. He loves the snow, loves to get outside. So today we're going to take care of that. Got the Kubota LX3310 out. Going to make quick work of this with the snowblower attachment, and yeah, get her done. It's actually a little overcast. The sun's trying to peek through, but nice day. Beautiful thing about the cab, doesn't matter how cold it is outside, you're comfortable, you're warm. So we're gonna get after it here, guys. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you find the video fun and informational. And hopefully you click the like button, hit subscribe, and maybe even ring that bell. Anyways, let's get on to her. time to go back inside, have a warm drink or a cold drink. Anyways, let me get the RPMs down and we'll do some final comments here. It sure is nice to have that cab. You know, it's minus, I don't even know what it is, but it's cold. And here I am totally comfortable after 2 hours of blowing snow. You might have noticed I don't have my toque on and I don't have a jacket on. I took both those things off immediately after getting in the tractor. So again, having the cab, you're totally in control of your comfort. It almost gets too hot actually most of the time. You've got to turn the thing off. It gets so warm, and I even keep it like right in between cool and hot, and it's still hot in here. So definitely super advantageous to have the cab if your main function is blowing snow and moving snow with your tractor. The other question you might be asking is, you're going backwards, what's going on? Well, I got this back mount snowblower attachment, and it works only in that direction. And the reason I did that is I just wanted the functionality of my loader arms and my bucket and my other implements at the front, my pallet forks and my grapple. I didn't want to have to be changing those things. It's much easier to take something off the back than it is to put your loader arms back on. With the cab, I don't have that quick attach system, and then you know, getting whatever implement you need on the front. So it's really nice from a snow perspective. You can blow the snow using the back mount, and at the front you can lift and pile and push, and so you've got really good functionality with the tractor. Now again, my driveway is 100 meters, just over 100 meters, garage to road with that turn. But other than that, it really isn't that big of an issue. Now, if you had a kilometer-long driveway, I totally understand why you go with a front mount or even a back mount that you go forwards with. I actually didn't know that option existed, the back mount that you go forwards with, but I still like this option because you're hitting the snowblower with virgin snow. It's not been packed down with the front of the wheels. So to me, this is good. And again, my 100 meters, it's not a bad thing. The first couple times it took some getting used to with the twisting and the turning the neck. It's really your neck more than it is your back. You're still got all access to your controls when you're turned. You know, the pedal's not hard to use. Your front end loader's still right here, and you've got your controls to turn the chute and to put the PTO up and down. It's still on this side because I turned to my right. So again, it really works well for me. And yeah, you get a little tired neck, but you get used to it. After my second or third time, now it's really easy. And a lot of times I can just kind of look over my shoulder when I'm going, just getting used to it. So that's why I went with it. Again, just for the functionality of the front end loader and the hassle of not having to put that front end loader on and off if you need it for other things, such as moving stuff, pushing snow, piling snow, getting rid of banks, right? So that's why I went with it. Again, it came recommended that way with the guy at Tracks and Wheels, our local Kubota dealer. He suggested go with the back mount snowblower to allow you to have your front end loader arms and your bucket, and I did so, and it's worked out really well for me. But again, that 100 meter driveway is kind of probably the limit, where if you've got a kilometer, you're not going to be wanting to be twisted around the whole way. So that's the video for today. If you don't mind, please hit that like button. Smash the subscribe button and ring that bell. And I very much appreciate you following me. Leave some comments, ask some questions. I'll gladly get back to any comments that I can. Again, I'm new at this, first time having a tractor. I'm sure there's going to be comments of things I'm doing wrong or things I've overlooked. But hey, I welcome those things. So anyways, guys, have a great day. Enjoy it. And you know, one more thing about that cab. If you're looking into a new tractor, get a cab if your primary function is winter stuff, specifically moving snow. There's nothing worse than getting covered in snow if the wind direction's wrong, or even getting up when it's dark and going out in minus 30 and you're just frozen, right? The thing about having a tractor is you don't move much, so you just get cold. It's not like being on a skidoo where you're always moving your body weight and kind of wrestling the weight of the sled. It's not like that. So again, having the cab is just awesome. Have a great day, and remember, get outside. Bye now.